This art lesson is sponsored by Paramount Pictures for the movie If, only in theaters May 17th. Hey art friends, today we've got something super special planned, don't we, Austin?
Yeah, we're going to draw something really amazing. But first we want to talk about something really cool.
We are really excited about the new movie If, coming to theaters on May 17th. It's all about a girl named Bea who discovers she can see everyone's imaginary friends.
And she goes on this big adventure with a character named Cal, played by Ryan Reynolds.
And the big adventure is to help connect imaginary friends with their kids again. I think Ryan Reynolds is super funny, so you know it's going to be an awesome adventure with lots of laughs. Perfect for family movie night.
I can't wait to see all the crazy imaginary friends, especially the main one. His name is Blue.
Yeah, even though he's purple, his name is Blue and he loves croissants. I like croissants too.
Same.
Blue is played by Steve Carell, so you know he's going to be really funny.
And you know what else is cool?
What?
You can create your own imaginary friend.
To all the parents and adults out there, Paramount Pictures has launched the If Imagination Station on ifgenerator.com. You can draw your own If there and see it come to life with a 3D image.
We've already used it a lot.
Yeah, we've used it together as a family, taking turns making imaginary friends, and every single one turned out hilarious.
Yeah, I especially love Olivia's.
Yeah, she's a professional imaginary friend maker.
Yeah.
And tickets are available now. Make sure to check it out with your whole family.
Can't wait to see this movie.
Yeah, me too. All right, dude, you ready to draw Blue?
Yes.
All right, we hope you're going to follow along. Let's start. We're using our markers and marker paper to draw on, but you can use whatever you have, like a pencil or even crayons.
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing Blue's eyes. We're going to draw them in the middle of our paper, but towards the top. We're going to draw two circles. We're going to draw them about this big, kind of big, and then we're going to leave some space, and then we'll draw another one the same size. Yeah, and then let's draw the pupils. We're going to color in the circle too, so it's solid. Okay, now let's draw his eyebrows. We're going to draw a curve over each eye. I kind of went back over it to make it thicker too. And then let's draw his smile. And he's got a really big smile. We're going to draw it curving down and then back up over here on the right. And then let's draw little cheek lines too. Okay, next let's draw his ears. We're going to start right above his eyebrow, but off to the left. We're going to draw kind of a U shape that comes down and then back. It's a sideways U shape. And then we're going to draw that same sideways U shape on the right side to match. Now we're going to connect his ears with a bunch of fur and zigzags. So we're going to start here, and we also want to go up a little bit higher for the top of his head, and then I'm going to change the zigzags and go the other direction to connect to the other side. Which imaginary friend do you think is the funniest?
I think all of them are really funny, but Keith the invisible one is so funny.
Yeah, he keeps tripping over him.
Yeah.
I also like Marshmallow, the one that's on fire.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the fur on the side of his head, coming down, and we'll stop right when we get in line with the bottom of his smile, and then we can do the same thing over here on this side. Okay, next we're going to draw his shoulders and his arms coming down. So we're going to draw more zigzags, so he's really furry. We're going to draw a big zigzag, but we're curving out for his elbow, and we're going to come down, and we'll stop at his elbow, and then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to keep going because we're just repeating that same step over here on this side. Now we're going to draw the elbow right here. It's bent, but we're going to bend his arm into his body. And we can stop there, and we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to bend it in. Then let's curve around to finish his hands, and we'll come back in to the inside of his elbow. And then let's repeat that same curve on the other side. Then let's draw his finger lines. We could just add two little curves inside. Oh, it's starting to look like him, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. All right, let's draw his belly. We're going to draw big zigzag lines curving in right here. So we'll start on his elbow, and we're going to draw it zigzagging, coming in, and stopping there. And then we can do the same thing on the other side. Oh, also, let's draw a little line right here for the inside of his arm going up to his armpits. Yes. Okay, now let's draw his feet and his legs. We're going to start here, and we'll draw a zigzag. This one's coming straight down, and we'll draw another one coming straight down, too, on this side. Now we're going to draw the inside of his legs. And we're going to imagine this line right here coming through and connecting to the other side, but we're just going to draw a small zigzag line in between. Then let's draw the inside of his left leg and also the inside of his right leg. Now we can draw his feet. Let's curve out on the left and also on the right. And then we're going to curve around for the bottom of his foot and into this line to finish it. And then we can do the same thing for this foot. We did it! We finished drawing Blue, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, but we need to color him purple.
Yeah.
This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Blue, and it turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
Thank you. I love yours too.
Thanks. Now you can pause the video to match our same coloring. We used the white colored pencil to add highlights, and we also layered the purple to add shading, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. We also don't forget to add the green around his eyes. We used our markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have, like crayons or colored pencils.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Blue.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And parents and adults, don't forget the movie If is out in theaters May 17th.
And remember to visit ifgenerator.com to create your own imaginary friend.
We also want to give a big thanks to Paramount Pictures for sponsoring this awesome art lesson.
And thanks to all of you for drawing with us.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.